Welcome back, guys, to another chapter of SEO Trader. So this week last week we had a lot of news, especially around Trump tweets and stuff like that. It's just been quite wild. So you have to look at the markets and the situation. So I am an A+ trader, which I only follow my plan. And if it meets my criteria, I take a trade. Or if it doesn't, probably in a week I could probably catch 2 or 3 trades, sometimes 2. It depends on your plan. And so it's just been so a great journey so far. So 2025 is so far been great. Well, we're coming towards March now, and we can see a little bit of the sunshine in the UK. Not that much. It's been grey for the past 4 months. No sunshine at all, and you know how the batteries go down on your camera. That's how humans go down. So they're not that happy, especially around here. We haven't got no sunshine. But that goes to the side. My A+, and also another strategy that I have learned from a friend, and I am back testing it. It's been going great. So it's like a head and shoulders trade on a H4 or a daily with a doji in place. So I have a bit of screenshots. I just need a bit more data before I go live and start to trade those sort of trades. So that's one of my strategy, and also, as you know, I am focusing more on ICT, reading a lot of books, and making notes, journaling, and also so I've just been like I've been a bit away, and also I've been just around other traders. Sometimes I hear their stories, and they have different setups compared to mine. I don't really want to focus on someone else's setup because my primary setup is ICT, Silver Bullet, Turtle Soup. So there's quite a few stuff I am, every week I am adding on. And so you don't want to make things complicated. So if you start learning strategy to strategy and hopping off to a different strategy, it doesn't work this week. Next week that works. Or I'll go to a different one. Third one, fourth one. No. Focus on one setup or 2. So say you got a setup that does work and it doesn't work. You can tweak it up and see what works. And then if you want to add another sort of a setup or a trading plan, you have to tweak it or backtest it before you go live in the markets. This week I'm using a Canon G7X rather than my EOS R camera. I thought I'd just test it out. Might be a different sort of print here, but yeah, it's recording in 4K. But yeah, just it's just been pretty much just chilling out, really. Okay, let's go over the pound USD trade. So this is one of the trades I did take last week, and so we caught it from this order block. Daily high was wicked out. I have all the confluence here, which I do normally write on the list, and I see it actually dropping. So yeah, we had a Fibonacci sequence here. Let's have a look here. Let me go to lower time frames. Yeah. So the order block was wicked out. So if you look at this, pound USD, what I've noticed, it likes liquidity. So the order block always gets taken out. I've seen this so many times. I got data for this. And then there was a fair value gap that I caught from around here. Yeah. OB taken out right there. And then the daily high that was measured. Also, I have a marathon that is coming up. Yeah, so going for some of these medals, achievements. It's like I am going for a marathon. I have cutted sugar. Also, any sweet stuff is pretty much out of my diet now. I never used to eat that much anyway, because if I do have tea or coffee, it's going to be without no sugar. And you know, since I had no sugar, it's, you know, my health is getting a bit better. But like I said, I wasn't really a sugar person. It was a no-no for me, yeah, especially if I'm around my wife and she likes a bit of sugar stuff, and then you do get sidetracked. But I try not to go with the sugar sort of formula. That is my rule, and I have to follow my rules. It's like the trading, you know, if there is a setup, like you have to, there's confluences, you know, like I use Fibonacci, rulers, you know, order blocks, liquidity grabs, imbalances. So all those sort of criteria meets, then I enter a trade. It's the same like I have a bit of discipline now, and I have to, you know, go ahead with that same discipline. Also, I have been quite busy with other projects going on, apart from trading. So sometimes to get your mind out of trading, you need a weekend off and just relax. I stopped trading on Fridays, which I don't do anymore. It's just primary, I don't know. I haven't been the greatest on Fridays, so why give the profits all that week away on a Friday? It doesn't make sense. I know a lot of traders, I've noticed, they do, you know, they do quite well during the week. So, example, Monday's quite slow. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is probably one of my best days. And I could catch some good entries. Have been successful all week. Then comes Friday. And what do they do? Take a trade. Yeah, I could just get a quick scalp or whatever it is, you know, just a little position in there and then call it a day. What happens? Bang! They lose it. Then they do the same thing again, repeat. Then it comes revenge trading. So Friday kind of, your psychology kicks in. It's the end of the week. Oh, I can make my money back. So that day is in my rule book. Do not to trade. My primary focus is yeah, just going on my main pairs. So I got the red pairs there, and also yeah, try to build up. So in the upcoming months, which I will go full time. I am kind of full time, but I'm kind of like a part time as well. So I do like a little day job, but yeah. So I will. My focus will be trading because it is my passion and hobby. I love the charts. I love everything about trading. But yeah. So I have been learning since I would say 2019. And lockdown came. 2022. I would say late 2019, and then 2022 came, and then also throughout the lockdown, I was, you know, putting 5 hours a day. I saw a friend making, you know, like $1,000 a day, 500 a day, and then from there, I had to just go straight in trading. Also, reading a lot of books helps. I take little notes. So I listen to podcasts. Words of Wisdom is on the App Store. You could just, download the podcast app, and then there's a lot of traders on there. So every time when I go for a walk, I put other traders on. Listen to their stories. You know, how successful. Behind me, you can see all the gaming stuff because I am a gamer also, and pretty much I'm gonna clear all that. I'm renovating all this office, so it's just catching a lot of dust up there, and then it's gonna be trading related because I am making a lot of profit now on trading. So I was a YouTube gamer. I'll leave the link below if you want to, you know, subscribe to that. Watch my gaming. I still play games and stuff, but I have been focusing more on trading related stuff. Even my PS5, I don't play it much. it's been catching a lot of dust. So I've been buying quite a few games. I am into multiplayer, like Assassin's Creed and Horizon Forbidden West. I haven't played them because trading has got in the way. I'm learning and also taking notes like this. So this is like the ICT Mentorship 2022. Look at it's all full. Look, all of it. I am doing a market maker series on this. Euro CAD trade. So this is one of my A+ setups. I saw this today. I did post it on my Twitter. Also, I got a Telegram. It's on the links below. Probably I'll put it up on this channel. You can have a look at it. Also on my Discord, I posted this. So this was like a £30 a pip trade. I know it's gonna head down towards the Asian lows. So pretty much, the euro was weak today. So I looked at the news. I looked at all the confluences, which I had here. So higher time frames. Look at the daily always, which I always do. And yeah, so I caught it from around the Asian highs. Once that was big, I was paying attention to that one. I thought it might go to the top order block, but it never. So this is one of the. I was looking at this Euro USD trade. I didn't like it. There's another one here. This one I'm in already, so I might go break even. It's a slow mover. AED CAD. Not the best, but it's like an ICT setup. But the reason I took this trade, it was multiple wicks above, and if you go to high to low, 61.8 golden zone, and it's having multiple rejections from there. Look at that. Look at all these wicks, dojis. Pretty much I was just going in. This trade I never taken, so it was AUD USD, so just mark up, but it did go in my favor. Yeah, so the market maker series I am doing pretty much is I'm just going through the ICT courses, which is helping, and throughout the probably I might add another course. I might go through the ICT Mentorship 2022. Well, pretty much when I just watch a video, I do understand it, but sometimes what you can do is when you rewatch it, it just comes in your memory, and then you start picking up a lot of stuff. Yeah, so it's been the journey so far. So if you do like me making these little mini vlogs, let me know. I am gonna have a short little vlogs of day in the life of my lifestyle. Sorry, day in the life. Yeah, I am gonna do a day in the life of my lifestyle, especially going through my trades. And if you do like some of the vlogs, I'm doing, just let me know. I am going to put more content out, and I am putting the strategy out. So I'm back testing it, which is the success rate is probably about 85% on there. It's going great, but I will bring it out, and then hopefully I make a video on that one. So then I'm going to post my results so you can see it live that I'm making. It's going great. So yeah, so trade safe, and thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned in the next video of SEO Trader.